Just are.
I'm not, and you know it, so you can just, now I'm gonna make fun of you, you can just suck.
There. Okay, you guys, let's make up a play.
Wait, hold on, watch this.
Wait, don't get my phone wet. No, you guys, we should get a cool. Wait, I want to do it too.
You'll have a muffin, and you're gonna like it. You'll eat this muffin, and you'll like it. You guys, I look like I'm wearing a wig, like legitimately, dude.
Oh, look at mine. Hey.
This is pause.
Another drop of tea for you. Oh, you know what I used to do when I was like...
No, watch this.
Watch.
I just used...
Go, whatever. Go. No, you get a picture when your hair's like.
I know, I'm trying to... Oh, like, let's take a video.
I like your saying my eyebrows.
I used to do this. Wait, what is wrong with my hair? Gosh. And be like, this is George Washington. So if it's not working as well as I'd like it to.
You know, they're very cute. They love,
And dude, my hair's not doing it. Help me.
My hair's not doing it.
I have an idea.
I have an idea. Hey, Mr. Krabs. I have an idea. I feel like a kid again.
We are kids.
Oh, that's true.
Except for you're married and have two.
I have two of my own. We're up all night to get some. We're up all night to get lucky. Let go of your hand. I mean, let your hand go. Dang it, Oakley! Why is your hair so perfect? Even when you try to be ugly, you can't be ugly. What's up with that?
I can. I can make ugly faces.
Let's see him. Let's see your ugly face. It's not even an ugly face. You're like trying to be like sexy, but like. Just do this face here. Do this.
Okay, do what?
This.
Here, I have my famous face.
Okay, let's do it. Look at the camera. Well, there you go.
Are you done?
Starts in. Katie, why did you come over here?
Yeah, come over here, my darling.
I don't want to be a part of this.
Why?
You do.
No, I was
If you're not a part of this, you're gonna go home and be like, dang it, I wish I was a part of that.
All night to get lucky.
You legitimately like you're at the bottom.
Dude, I barely even touched her.
Wait, guys, wait, I'm gonna try
She
something.
did it free willingly. What are you doing?
Oh god.
Oh my gosh!
Your phone.
Save your phone! I'm saying it! Oh, dude, it's screwed. It is screwed. Oh, what happened? He jumped and like it all on the floor. And I would just boom.
You better go stairs. That's okay, I have another one.
It's okay, I carry stairs. Like on Rat Racer, she's like, Penny, your phone just breaks it.